Hello, everybody. Anthony from Traders Ultimate Edge here. We'll take a look here at the market today. So over the last several days, we've been approaching this 4,800 area. Finally, overnight last night, we did break it, go all the way to 4,808, followed by an immediate and harsh rejection right off that area. Pulled all the way back down here to 4765. But what we will notice is that this is a higher low, right? These here were all lower, and this is now higher. This is also a higher high. So you can see we are slowly making our way up there. That doesn't hit. That might hit. All right, so we'll put it like that. We are slowly making our way up here, but then later in the day, right at the end of the day, we did reject really hard in this candle right here, right off that line. That's about 10 minutes towards the end of the day. Yeah, that could have just been a risk off at the end of the day. I'm not sure, but we have to keep that in mind. This is going to be a really tough area to get through, and we need a catalyst to do it. We need a catalyst. Now, tomorrow we have the FOMC meetings, or excuse me, the FOMC minutes from the last meeting, as well as ADP payrolls coming out. Either one of those could provide a bit of a catalyst. In that FOMC minutes, we're going to want to see that they're going to take longer than March to raise rates. That could be a catalyst. However, I believe March is when they're going to raise it. Minimum of 2 times this year, probably 3, in my opinion. The payroll numbers, that could be a catalyst. Thursday, we have jobless numbers. Friday, we have unemployment and non-farm payrolls. So all of these could be potential catalysts to get us solidly over this 4,800 level and just kind of stay up there. For now, watch this trend line as an area to short off of, and watch this trend line and this one here as areas to potentially go long off of. Here to here. Okay, this can kind of be an area of support for you to go long off of. Again, intraday, this jump down here. Sorry, my chart's a little hard to read. That 4780, 4784 did play important roles intraday. In fact, we traded this one over here in our live day trading. We did take a long over here, and we profited on that long. And so these areas will remain very strong areas of support and resistance for whatever reason. I'm not sure why, but for whatever reason, they will. Nonetheless, that's all I've got for you. Going into tomorrow, look for another sort of sideways day. It's not going to be completely flat. It could be another day like this, where it'll just shoot up overnight, come back down, shoot back up later in the day. See kind of this V-bottom thing going on. I think we continue to see this sort of thing until we get A, clarity around that new Omicron variant out of France, and B, we see some sort of catalyst into the market through like unemployment numbers or, for example, the rates or whatever. Now, you'll notice today, one last thing I want to point out was this big rotation out of growth and into value today. People were selling off growth and buying value. That could be another indication that some of the trepidation is over. Interest rates from the Fed, they want a little bit of clarity, and we are going to see those minutes tomorrow that might provide us a little bit more knowledge on that situation. Also, make sure to be checking those CME futures, and we'll see what those are doing tomorrow with the rate raises after those minutes come out. All right, that's all I've got for you. Have a nice evening. Take care.